Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we will discuss a setting that restricts the linking of sale returns with original sale bills through the sale history window. To enable this setting, open Logic Admin and navigate to Global Settings. Under the Sale Return settings, check the option labeled Do Not Link Sale Return with Sale through Sale History. Once selected, save the settings and restart the software to apply the changes. Now, let's see how this setting works. We have already saved a sale bill. Next, we'll process a sale return for an item from that bill. When selecting the lot during the return process, the sale history window will appear. Choose the original sale bill against which the return is being entered and save the entry. According to the enabled setting, the system should not link the sale return with the original sale bill through the sale history window. To verify this, let's enter another sale return. When the sale history window appears, you can clearly see that the previous entry is still marked as unadjusted and the original sale bill still appears in the list. This confirms that the setting successfully restricts the linking of sale returns with sale bills through the sale history. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.